By now, you should be familiar of how to work with sheets. In this video, I will create a report for product B. I will start by changing the names of my workbook sheets. I'll name them A, B, and A and B. These names now specify the type of information that is stored in them. Since the report of products A and B have the same structure, I will use the created report of product A as a template to create the report of product B. So, I select the cells that have the information of product A. I copy them and paste them in sheet B. Now, one of the two tasks left to do is changing the numbers and title. I didn't have to change the sales value because it contains a formula that updates by itself. Notice that the Excel chart is not the same as the PDF chart. This is because the Excel chart is reading the values of product A in sheet A. So, the last task left is to update the data source of the chart. As a result, the chart gets updated and the Excel and PDF reports look alike for product B. As you have seen, by copying a template, I saved time because I avoided applying formats all over again. Watch the video that follows to see how I create the summary report.